Hello guys,
Hey.
welcome.
So,
We've got a lot of stuff to talk to you about, being our first video. So
yeah, we've got a day to go. We fly Monday. It's Saturday today. So we've been busy finalising our packing, making sure we've got everything, and looking towards. I've been checking the flights to see that they're going. I've just got to do our final check-in, which will be on Sunday tomorrow.
yeah. Here's if you mind out now, we've got a quick look at the map here. It's a little shabby little, drawn out map. So we're going to start up here, over in Banff, all the way down, and then where's the American border? Is that here?
Yeah, American borders here, just up the other side of Eureka.
So then we're into America,
Roosevelt.
all the way down, all the way down to the bottom,
Down
right to
Antelope Wells.
Antelope Wells there, which is going to be good. So there's a little map we've been looking at here and there, just sort of imagining things.
Yeah.
So we're going to fly out in 2 days. One day and a bit.
So we fly from Manchester via Charles de Gaulle, and then from Charles de Gaulle over to Calgary. Then when we're in Calgary, we'll hopefully have time to get a bus from the airport and get that down to Canmore, which is this side of Banff. Mainly because Canmore's a little cheaper. It's still quite expensive, but it's a little bit more cheaper than Banff to stay at and to buy. We've got to buy food and various things when we're there. So yeah, it's good.
Trying to find a puncture that doesn't exist or something.
Slow tyre was going down slowly. I bought these new Pro-Lite inner tubes, which are made of some funny material, and I can't work out if they're leaking, but they are going down, or this one's going down just a little bit, so I have to pump it up every time we go out on it, but it stays up for the day. It's just got a leak.
Yeah, so we can see as the sort of intro, we got a little. This is my bike currently, the black frame, some roll mats to protect and also to carry. We've got all our bags stored in there, and as you can see, they're been taken apart and have been put in quite a structured way, taped together, ready for transport by plane. Now Dad has got his taped up there, and we're hoping that they travel well and they do all right with that.
We're just about packed and ready to go now.
Yeah.
And we're just about done. So please keep in touch through our YouTube channel with us, and look forward to our continuing video whilst we're journeying down through Canada and America.
Yeah, so yeah, I'm going to upload. Dad did a sort of 5-6 minute video on in more depth on what we're bringing or he's bringing, and I'm going to bring very similar things to him, what we're bringing and why we're bringing it, and some, you know, how it works and stuff. So I'll upload that separately if you want to check it out. It's worth a watch if you're intrigued or want to see, you know,
kit list type of things we take. So it was a bit boring. It's quite long, but you might find it useful if you're thinking of doing a trip yourself.
And as Dad's already said, you know, keep updated. You know, we'll be posting this when we can, really, when we're away, because we've got to have internet to post, and obviously got to have time to edit and things. There probably won't be long videos when we get back.
Keep them short. We'll keep them shorter just so that it's easier to upload with limited internet.
And editing is quick as well, because haven't got that long. But when we get back, hopefully we'll do a bigger video of our whole experience. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you.
Later.
Enjoy.